Hello all, welcome to the day 61 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 12. The question goes like this. Priya, a grade 12 student, was working on a project involving the motion of a particle along a straight line. She was given a velocity time graph that was not accessible, but the velocity function was provided as v of t is equal to 3t square plus 2t plus 1. Her objective was to find a displacement function by integrating the velocity function. Her mathematics teacher explained that the displacement function is the antiderivative of the velocity function, and hence Priya had to compute the indefinite integral of v of t. She learned that indefinite integrals represent a family of curves differing only by a constant c. And geometrically, these curves are translations of each other. She used the formula integral t power n dt is equal to t power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c and successfully derived the displacement function. Let us now help Priya solve question 1. What is the indefinite integral of the velocity function v of t given by 3t square plus 2t plus 1? Integrating v of t, that is integral 3t square plus 2t plus 1 dt. This can be written as integral 3t square dt plus integral 2t dt plus integral 1 dt, which is 3t cube by 3 plus 2t square by 2 plus t plus c. On simplifying, we get t cube plus t square plus t plus c. So the answer is option A. Question 2. What is the geometrical meaning of the constant of integration in Priya's displacement function? To understand this, let's draw a displacement time graph. Assume the curve is. Now the fact is that the curve shape never changes, but the curve can be translated. That is, we can take the curve up or take it down. It can slide up or it can slide down. When such translation is happening, the starting point of the curve varies. That is, height of the starting point varies. When we drew that initially at 4, the starting point was 4, and when we took it up, it became 6. When we brought it down, it became 2. Height of the starting point is nothing but the initial displacement. Let's read the question again. The geometrical meaning of the constant of integration in Priya's displacement function refers to the initial displacement. Question 3. Which of the following properties is used in integrating v of t term-wise? Answer is option B. Linearity of integration. Question 4. If s of t is the displacement function found as s of t equal to t cube plus t square plus t plus c, then what is ds by dt? That is, we have to differentiate that s of t. S of t is t cube plus t square plus t plus c. Differentiating it with respect to time, ds by dt is equal to 3t square plus 2t plus 1. The answer is option A. Question 5. Which of the following integrals is equal to t cube plus t square plus t plus c? Looking at the options, uh, option B might be suitable for this, because when we integrate option B, we get 3t cube by 3 plus 2t square by 2 plus t plus c. On simplifying, we get t cube plus t square plus t plus c. So the option is B. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.